Katie, забыл.
and drive. Okay? These are the first lever. If you push it forward, aircraft moves forward. Flap, as you remember, we used for takeoff and landing. 5 degrees for takeoff. Can you set it, please? Up first. Then see the landing gear lever. If you pull it like this and you put it, the gear will go. You drag it one side. The navigation display, if you are going from Dubai to Miami, you can see the route here. And this is the PFD. Each small line is 2.5 degrees. The big one is 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5. Okay? For takeoff, you pull it back and you put the black cursor on 15 degrees and you hold it. Okay? If you see the black cursor going up, you have to push forward. Okay? To keep it on 15 degrees. And when you reach your altitude, to maintain it, you have to keep the black cursor almost on 2.5. Is it too much?
Yeah, but I mean, I've seen that before, so I'm kind of familiar with everything. But
And here you can read the speed and here you can read the altitude.
yes,
Where do you want to go?
Miami.
Again, no. Let's choose different.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to LA.
LA?
LA, that's fine.
LAX, yeah?
LAX.
LAX, yeah. To San Francisco.
No, then we'll go to San Francisco.
From LA, yeah.
From LA.
Yeah,
Oh,
why
no,
not?
there we
Why
go.
not?
Let's go to Chicago.
Chicago, Chicago goes also.
Chicago.
LA or
يا
Chicago?
ميور بلج.
No, LA.
Chicago with raining weather. Because Chicago is.
So here I said the
LA.
code for the LA. All USA airports start by K and then the 3 letters for the airport.
For the airport.
Okay, so K is for USA and LAX is for the airport. Like San Francisco SFO, New York JFK, GFK, LaGuardia LJIA.
Yeah, huh? Yeah.
But always start with K. K is only for USA. No, Sheremetyevo, UU for Russia.
Oh wow,
and
really?
EE.
So K is for United States.
Yes.
This one.
This speed, heading, altitude.
Speed, heading, and altitude. And this one?
This one is course. This one we use for ILS landing. Okay, ready? Push your hand here, please. Slowly push it forward. To put the swan first.
Лучше, нет, Катя, бери лучше, красиво на кадре получается. Бери так.
That's a different picture.
Нет, тихо, тихо. Вот так. Подожди, стой, подожди, сейчас, момент, one moment, please.
Давай.
One moment,
Put your other hand there.
please,
Okay, but you turn left or right with your legs. Okay, on the ground with your left.
Ну, поехали, давай.
Okay, so
Погнали.
4 and wait.
that's
Okay,
it?
when you reach 40, keep your hand. When you reach 40, you go full power smoothly. Okay.
Just so I remember what you were saying.
Gas full.
Now look outside with your legs. Turn to the right a little bit.
Погнали. 145.
Yeah.
Take off 145 rotation.
What is the speed that you have to take on?
145.
You are rotate. You reach. In front of you.
Так, скорость растет,
Now,
скорость растет.
rotate.
Все, все, поехали.
No, rotate by your hand. Pull it, remove your leg.
Yeah, I
Remove
did.
your leg.
That's it.
Now look inside, keep it on flat on 15 degrees. Okay. Positive rate. Gear up. Put the gear up.
Get out. Get out.
Yes. Push forward more, 15 degrees only. This is 12. No, push and hold. As we said, push and hold. Hold. Push more, push and hold. Yes, you have to hold it. If you release your hand, the nose will go up. So push. Now you are arriving to our altitude. Push forward more to stop climbing. More down. Keep it on 2.5. More down, more down, more down. Yes. Now let's go a little bit down and then we're gonna make it on 2.5. Let's reach 3,000 feet. Go. This is the altitude there. Here is the altitude. Look, it's flashing yellow. That means we are above our selected altitude. So you have to push forward slowly.
To make
Okay.
it 2.5.
Let's go down 3,000 feet and then you pull it and you put the black cursor on 2.5. You got me? Let's try to turn left now during descent. Turn left, please. Okay, approaching altitude, pull it back now. And keep it on 2.5 here, and you're gonna maintain your altitude. Now continue to reach smoothly. flight school also.
Yeah, nice cool. It's
That's
next
my
step.
dream. That's my
It's
next
real
step.
next step.
But I mean, you're an amazing instructor. Don't forget that.
Maybe.
If I'm doing great, that means you're doing great.
I'm trying my best.
That's the only thing I look on with you.
Yeah, that's it. Now, slowly, we are approaching heading. Slowly, let's go to the right. Stop turn. Yeah. And make the wings level. The wings should be level. Here, that's me. If they are level, that's me. You are not.
Can I try one thing?
Tell me.
I want to climb like they do, like 40,000 feet. Is
Да,
it too
пацаны
long?
летит, да?
It's gonna
Пацаны?
take about 15
Летит
minutes,
пацаны?
something like that.
Потом
Yes, we can
посадка.
do it, of course.
Может,
Or at least,
пока
let's do
остановить.
it like at least
Сейчас,
30,000.
можно
I just want to see how it goes.
What we have?
На посадку, когда пойдет, тогда уже.
What we have? Here, there's a light in front of you. Yes, this one.
Okay. So what does that mean?
Okay, what does mean master caution? It's like a caution. Okay, master caution.
So it's
We have
it's
some.
smooth?
We have something. We have some problems. We have electricity here. We have hydraulics here. And as you can read here,
Engine fail.
we lost engine number 2.
А, на одном двигателе.
So let's go back to the
Равняй,
airport.
равняй.
Let's go back to the airport. Now, put your hand here and
Куда,
on
куда,
the
куда?
no, not both, only this one, the two. Yes, close it.
Ты круто забрала, Катя. Катя, круто
This
пошел
one,
машина.
like this and close it. Only this.
Машина, вложил машину в бочку. Смотри.
Папа.
Непонятно, то мы закручиваемся уже, нельзя.
No, this one is working. That one,
That one is, this one is that one.
yeah,
It's
number
no way, it doesn't
close
work.
it. Yeah, that's it.
That's
This
it.
one, no need for it. It's useless now.
So it's only one way.
Let's go down now. 2,000 feet, push forward. Put it on 0 degree. Yes. Like this is the 0, but stop turning. Stop turning, yeah. Try to make it like this and on 0 degree. That's it, hold it here. Now, can you reduce speed to 110? Yes. Stop turning. So, to the right. Now, we need to reduce the speed. Can you put the gear down? Push forward, just
I'm just trying to, but it's going down.
Now you
The
control
is
the
going
speed.
down.
You control the speed by the nose. There is no power. So if you push forward, you increase the speed. If you pull back, you decrease the speed. Okay. Now the speed should be here.
We lost time.
Minimum 165. So push
We lost
forward a
tire.
little bit.
We
Yes,
lost-
we are losing attitude. Yes, sir.
Lost tire. 500. Себя, дыши,
Okay, continue like this. Perfect.
дыши.
Что, мы садимся уже?
Up, smoothly. Up. Pull it. Pull it. Hold
Yes,
it.
yes.
Hold it. Amazing. One more up. One more up. Yes. Hold it. Amazing. What a beautiful landing water. Wow.
Оу.
Hey, high five.
Safe landing in water.
Yay.
Что, мы в воду сели?
Да.
Да ну нафиг.
Это возможно, прикинь, два двигателя вышли
двигатель,
вообще,
двух двигателей
они
сидит.
не работают. То есть это возможно. Не надо мне тут говорить, что вот это все аэрофобы, вот это боятся.
Не, есть это, horizontal speed и все.
I like that.
Главное,
One more time.
Пойду порыбачу.
So
Удочка
this-
есть?
This is the outside. Wow.
Сели в океан.
Cool. Wow. Never done that before. I like that. I like
You know what happened with one engine? You have both engines, okay? Both of them, they are providing thrust. So the aircraft is moving like that. But when we lost this engine, the engine number 2, this one, we lost first, yeah? So there is no thrust from this side. So only this engine providing thrust. So the aircraft is going like that all the time. For that you have to correct it with the rudder and to make the nose like that.
That's what you tried to say about
I was trying to help you with my rudder. Okay, I was trying to push the left. I was trying to push the left rudder for you to put the nose straight, but it's a little bit difficult.
Oh, that's
Okay.
what you did.
Запасной
Because you were
пилот.
telling me, but I was so much into that.
Yeah, I know. You were lost.
Yeah.
After I know how many trainings till we get it. It's too hard. You cannot get it from the first time. Don't worry about it. It's just I want you to try it, to feel it. Okay, that's the purpose of the experience.
Wow, amazing.
Now you're gonna climb higher.
Yes, please. That's my thing.
Why
I
not?
really want to try that.
Let's find an airport here in the.
Теща, куда летим?
То куда-нибудь сейчас.
Так, we're in SFO. Мы сейчас в Сан-Франциско, and we need to go to. Let's make it to Chicago.
That's right. Chicago is.
Далеко.
Chicago is huge.
Катя, не устала?
Я тащусь. от
Как
каждой
твои
минуты.
нервы?
Да классно.
Как
Да
твои
классно
нервы?
вообще,
Классно
нормально.
вообще. Такое ощущение.
Бухари.
здоровское.
Michigan.
Let's go 30,000 feet. Can you set 30,000 feet here?
With pleasure. 30,000. Jesus Christ, so I'm gonna spend some time.
We have 2 buttons. You just press one of them once. Okay? And you can see that the throttle goes by itself. You don't have to push it forward.
Okay, so it's gonna do the job.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
Where is the here radio station for selected with taxiway and departure?
Here, sir.
Here.
Видишь, он здесь
Yeah.
Frequency,
показывает.
which frequency memories?
Now for takeoff there is no frequency.
For takeoff?
Because there is nothing to use for takeoff. We use it only for
Oh, it's
landing.
like really.
Here we set the frequency.
What?
I was setting here all the time.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ready?
let's do it. Yeah. So
Again.
we go up to 4.
At 4 first. And wait.
And now we press the button.
One of them, not now. When you reach 40. Okay, no
My
problem.
bad.
No problem.
Вот самый классный
Put your hand,
когда это...
push forward,
Когда-
maintain center line by your legs, yes, very smooth. Go.
Скорость растет. Точка невозврата. Flight rotation. Идем, пока идем.
You want
Идем.
Okay,
Okay.
remove your leg, concentrate here up. Amazing job. Now, look inside. You're gonna make it like this. You cannot look outside.
О, классно.
Just look here and keep the black cursor in the middle. Yeah. Push forward, that's it. Push forward, yes. Follow the flight directive, goes down. The flight directive goes down. Push forward more. More. Yes, push and hold. Don't release your hand. Perfect. Amazing job. Continue. Yes,
Go
let's
this
make
way
a
or
left
no?
turn.
Left, I guess.
You got it, huh? Bravo.
Китель есть.
You got it,
Да,
bravo.
да.
Goes down a little bit. Okay? So no need to hold all the time. When you trim, okay, like I will trim it for you.
Where is the trim?
Remove your hand.
Trim here.
Okay.
Where is the trim?
Does it for you? It's
No,
like a-
you just like hold it instead of holding by your hand. This one helps you.
Нормально.
So
You
it's
still have to correct.
locks, it locks.
Yes. When you feel force, when you are pushing and you feel force, now you add a little bit trim up.
And again.
Yes. Up. And
Я фуражки полечу.
you just correct it. No need to all the time pushing, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, how to say it, the car.
I got it. Like you lock it, and you don't need to press it for it.
Yes.
Question: when do you use the autopilot?
All the time.
So it's already on.
No, it's off. You are flying manual.
Сюда
But in the real
у тебя-
aircraft,
У тебя 10,000 уже.
if you are in the real aircraft, after 400 feet, ATL above the level, and after takeoff, okay, 400 feet above the ground, we press the autopilot. We don't fly manual.
Когда взлетаешь, что, штурвал до конца прям, да?
Нет, нет,
We don't fly manual.
Чувствовать его.
да, его надо поднимать, да, чтобы это нюхать. Ты же на козла
You know
посадишь.
why you are descending 2,000 feet?
Хочу это.
Будто по мелководью летали.
Look how many airports we have around. USA, a lot of airports. All this white, blue, it's an airport here around us.
You can turn it on the terrain also.
Yes,
or no?
this is the rain. But there's not the rain, not too
There's
high.
no terrain. Okay, makes sense.
Сейчас я видео сниму, как скорость растет.
Скорость высота.
Высота растет.
Now, you want to try autopilot?
Yes.
Press this one.
Which one?
Look, you read here FD, fly director, yes? Press this one. And you can read now command. Commander. Okay, that's mean this is autopilot. No need to touch anything now.
Wow. So it's gonna go all the time there. So it's it does what it's
Автопайлот, я?
yeah, so autopilot.
Now, if you want to go left, how to go left?
You need to take it off from autopilot and then turn? Ah, just the
Yeah, go
so,
left. Let's go left.
So what's the degree?
Let's go heading 330.
Again?
Yeah, go left, 330.
Because it's already on autopilot, so it does in the system everything for you.
Either you put the flight path, the route here, and you press this one, nav, and the autopilot follow the nav, but we are on heading select. Okay? You are using only heading. We tell them, I will give you the heading and you have to follow what I give you here. Not then you can go by here. The real flight we go by here. But sometimes you need to avoid like a cloud. There is a cloud in front of
Все
us.
So
понятно.
you want to do it slow.
You see now it's Mach. It's no more. It's no more 280. Why? Because we passed 26,000 feet.
So that's it.
Above 26,000 feet, the speed will be in Mach, not in knots anymore.
Он
We
говорит,
fly, let's say,
говорит.
0.8, 0.7. You wanna push it?
Mhm.
Okay? Below 26,000 feet, we go like 280, 270, something like that. So usually our rate of climb is like speed for climb is 0.72.
Okay. What's the maximum that airplanes go, like, they fly high? They go up
High
to
for
40,
this aircraft, 42,000 feet.
42.
This aircraft, 42,000 feet.
Because like we came here with Emirates 777, 777, and it was showing 44,000.
44.
Yeah.
Wow, 777 ago.
Maybe
44.
40.
No,
Maybe
I
40.
was just looking at